People are getting tired of constant alerts. They want the power of fitness tracking without the endless distractions. Enter the Apple Ring. This upcoming device is ready to change how we think about smart tech. It is sleek, simple, and totally screen-free. This is exactly what a growing number of users have been begging for. Recent supply chain leaks paint a very exciting picture. They suggest the Apple Ring is targeting a late 2026 launch. It will likely arrive right next to the iPhone 18. This timing is incredibly smart. Right now, competitors like Samsung and Oura are doing the hard work. They are building the smart ring market from scratch. They are teaching people why smart rings are actually useful. Apple is just sitting back and watching. They are learning from every single mistake their rivals make. Apple rarely wants to be first. They just want to be the best. By waiting until 2026, Apple can deliver a deeply polished and perfectly integrated product. The core design of the Apple Ring is all about simplicity. It completely drops the bright, power-hungry display. Because of this, the battery life will be incredible. An Apple Watch needs a charger almost every single day. The Apple Ring could easily last a full week on just one charge. This makes it the ultimate sleep tracker. You will never wake up to find your device dead. It is also perfect for watch lovers. You can finally wear your favorite classic mechanical watch on your wrist again. The Apple Ring will just quietly do all the health tracking right there on your finger. Wearing a tracker on your finger actually has huge biological benefits. The skin there is thinner. Your blood vessels are much closer to the surface. This means the Apple Ring can take highly accurate readings. It will track your resting heart rate, your blood oxygen, and your body temperature with amazing precision. All of this data will automatically sync with the Health app on your iPhone. There are no buttons to push. Everything happens silently in the background. But the Apple Ring is not just for fitness. It is a powerful tool for your whole digital life. Apple wants this ring to control your other devices. You could use hand gestures to control your Apple TV. You could unlock your Mac computer just by walking near it. You might even use subtle finger movements to control the Apple Vision Pro headset. This turns the ring into a brilliant companion device. Patents also show that Apple wants the ring to control your smart home. It could become a universal remote on your hand. You might point at a smart lamp to turn it on. You could wave your hand to close your smart blinds. Third-party rings just cannot do this. They do not have the massive Apple HomeKit system behind them. This simple plug-and-play experience will drive massive sales. If you already own an iPhone, setting up the ring will take zero effort. It will work instantly right out of the box. Apple needs to release this ring to fight back against Samsung and Oura. They have to protect their lead in the health tech world. Rumors say the ring will cost around $299 to $349. This is a very smart price. It is cheaper than a high-end Apple Watch or a new iPhone. It makes jumping into the Apple ecosystem very accessible, but the biggest selling point is the data. Other ring companies often force you to pay a monthly subscription just to see your own health stats. Apple is expected to keep all your data totally free. There will be no hidden fees. This alone will win over millions of buyers who hate subscription fatigue. I honestly believe the Apple Ring is going to be a massive game changer for the wearable tech industry. Removing the screen is the smartest thing Apple could possibly do here. We are all overwhelmed by screens all day long. Quiet, invisible tracker that lasts a whole week is exactly what the modern consumer desperately needs. The way it will connect with Macs, TVs, and smart homes makes it incredibly valuable. It is not just a fitness tracker. It is a key that unlocks the rest of your digital life. I think this product will completely dominate the market the second it hits store shelves. So, what are your thoughts about the upcoming Apple Smart Ring? Will you switch? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.